How you doing, guys? This is DIY Geek with an LED for my Ram 1500 truck. This is for the 9012 headlight low beam replacement for my truck. So this is just an unboxing. I'm gonna have another video for the actual installation. I'm sorry, this is for the high beam. Sorry about that. So this is a replacement for the, you can take a look at here. Let me do the focus real quick. Okay, there you go. It's a 9005 HB3 LED. That's the replacement that fits this particular design right here. Okay, so this is just a quick unboxing. This is made by Car Rover, and this is what the item looks like. Let me let it focus. Okay, so this is really important here to take a look at the mount. You see that? That's the mount. And then the back, this is what the fan looks like. Let me try to focus. Okay, and then this is what the plug looks like. This is again for the 9005 HB3. This is what the plugs look like. Okay, and the other one is identical. Okay, and I want to point out that for some reason when I got this, it was dirty. On this side, I don't know if I can show you guys. It's kind of dirty right here. There's like some kind of smear or like oil or some kind of compound that is smeared here. I hope it doesn't affect any of the functionality. I'm probably gonna get a Q-tip and clean that up a little bit, but I just want to point out that that small imperfection right there. I think it's gonna be okay. We'll try it out. Alright, aside from the actual LED itself, let me see. The bottom of the box doesn't really say anything else, just that. And then there's a card that comes with it to make sure that you're happy. If you're not happy, you can contact all these email address, Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus. And then it comes with also some kind of Allen wrench here, and then a small booklet. Let's see what the booklet has. Okay, looks like it has a little bit of instruction of how to install. Pretty nice. I'm going to go ahead and read it later. And then a hello LED kit, some kind of manual in different languages. Here it is in English. Okay, pretty nice. Alright, that's it. Okay, here it is with the high beam. It's quite messy on the light here, on the pattern. So this is for the Car Rover 9005 high beam, and I think there's a little bit of a flicker that there's a little bit of a flicker that I'm experiencing here. It is a little bit of a flicker, and yeah, there's a little bit of a flicker here too. So I guess I do need to install that thing, the anti-flicker, but the light looks really good. Yep, there's definitely a flicker. I don't know if you guys can tell. This is the high beam 9005 bulb, and the low beam is 9012 HIR2. Alright, I'm gonna take a drive and then see how it goes. Okay, that's pretty good. And turn on the brights. So this is for the Car Rover, for the 9005, and I'm gonna have a separate video of installing this to my truck. If you're interested to buy this, please use my Amazon link below. That gives me a little bit of credit, and I appreciate you watching this video. Please hit the like button if you find this useful, and hit subscribe to get more videos like this from DIY Eagle. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.